What's up? It's your girl again, Yvonne Brandi here with another video kama kawaida. In case you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family and feel at home. For returning subscribers, asanteni sana.
I will be giving you a tour to this park known as Beerta, Nabadda, which is in Mogadishu, Somalia. Entrance fee is $2 and they also serve food at an extra cost. You will decide on that, or better still, you can come while full to save some money. The food is not that expensive. I paid $9 for this, which to me is not that bad. So let me just give you a tour and watch till the end.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me.